In a crowded marketplace, one email marketing tool quietly earns its place. Discover the power of GetResponse today. GetResponse began from humble beginnings over 25 years ago in a small Polish attic. Now it serves over 400,000 customers worldwide, showcasing its evolution as a marketing ecosystem. What makes GetResponse unique compared to its competitors like Mailchimp and ActiveCampaign? This comprehensive platform offers advanced automation, landing pages, and e-commerce features all in one place. Many businesses struggle with disjointed tools. GetResponse aims to create a seamless experience throughout the customer journey. Imagine a platform where email campaigns are just the beginning of a larger marketing strategy. GetResponse has transformed email marketing with features like an AI email generator and intuitive design tools. Creating mobile-friendly emails has never been easier thanks to its responsive email design options. The platform's advanced segmentation ensures your messages reach the right audience, maximizing engagement rates. Where GetResponse excels is in its powerful marketing automation capabilities, allowing personalized customer journeys effortlessly. Utilize a visual workflow builder to create sophisticated email sequences that respond to user behavior. Capture leads with conversion-focused landing pages built without any coding knowledge required. For e-commerce businesses, GetResponse provides vital tools to boost sales and streamline marketing efforts efficiently. With features like abandoned cart recovery, your online store can reclaim lost sales automatically. Content monetization strategies, like paid newsletters and online courses, offer new revenue streams for creators. GetResponse's pricing is competitive, with plans tailored to your business size and needs. From small startups to growing e-commerce stores, this platform adapts to various marketing requirements effectively. However, if advanced CRM capabilities or SMS marketing are your focus, consider your alternatives carefully. Explore the potential of GetResponse today, where innovation meets practicality in digital marketing solutions.